and that's just going to continue. I do want to show you Love Field right now. I'm showing you a couple of the cameras and heat index values. 89 right now for the actual temperature, but it feels like 96 when you factor in the humidity. And over in DFW Airport, 89, but feeling like 97. We're almost to a triple-digit heat index. We'll likely get there in the early afternoon. It stays there for the rest of the afternoon. And here's what we're looking at now on satellite and radar. Dry for us, like Cleo said, but that rain continues areas just north of the Red River. Some of that cloud cover is extending south into our northeastern counties, and that's where our temperatures will, I say, only make it into the mid 90s. That's when you compare it to DFW, 99 degrees for the area, 99 in Denton, and into the triple digits for our western counties where it is quite a bit drier. Our humidity does bring on a heat index for us. It'll feel closer to about 102 to 103 across the Metroplex, triple digits extending along our eastern counties as well. And it stays like that for the next several days. In fact, the next 2 weeks, we have several opportunities to reach the triple digits. 101 on Tuesday, 100 on Wednesday. Those triple digits continue through this weekend with the heat index of at least 103 or higher during the afternoons. It's going to be one of those weeks where you kind of get exhausted from the heat. Also considering that we don't cool down much overnight. It's because of this ridge of high pressure. High pressure means sinking air, and sinking air is compressed air. I'm taking you through the entire week here. See how that's not moving very much? That's why the triple digits will be back almost every day. So that high pressure stays over North Texas. This brings on the triple digit heat just about every day. And because of that high pressure, remember how I said it's sinking air? That doesn't allow for rain to develop. So that's why rain chances are really slim to none. In fact, you can see where that ridge of high pressure sits over Texas. On the outskirts, you see the rain potential, but for us, really going to be limited. We could see some onshore showers along the southeast Texas coastline. That's really about it. I'm also watching the tropics. It's been really something to watch, especially with Debbie. But now we're looking at our next potential tropical cyclone. This is number 5 with max sustained winds right now of 35 miles per hour. It's still well to the southeast of Antigua. So what we're watching here is this cluster of thunderstorms that as of now, it does look like it's going to gain strength, likely tropical storm status. It will be Tropical Storm Ernesto sometime late today into the overnight. And it does move towards Puerto Rico, likely middle part of the week. This is Wednesday around 7. And then it takes a turn into the Atlantic. And once that happens, it's going to gain strength, likely becoming a Category 1 or Category 2 storm by the end of the week. No local impacts. In fact, we are just staying hot and dry. Afternoon high temperature today of 99, but tomorrow 101, triple digits the rest of the week, and this weekend we could even see a high of 103, which would be tying for the hottest day of the year. And like I said, little to no rain chances, Cleo.
Yeah.